Hey there, yogis and yoginis. This is Dafina, founder of Embrace Change Yoga. Thanks for joining me today. In today's practice, I'd like to take you through a chakra clearing exercise, and it doesn't take a lot of movement, so this is a great sequence to use when you're feeling a little anxious, a little overwhelmed, a little stressed out, having some inability to focus. Um, this really helps with mind organization, just like you would organize and declutter your home or your desk or that kitchen drawer or your sock drawer. I find that the chakra realignment sequence and practice really is effective in helping me organize my mind and really get back to focusing on the first thing first, the one thing that's really important for me to focus on and to complete in the next few minutes, in the next few hours, or for that day, so that I feel accomplished. And sometimes when I just need to give myself the permission to rest, this is a great way to get myself into a restful state. So as always, have your bolster and 2 blocks available so you can get into the most comfortable position in this practice. I'm going to sit on my bolster. So I have no issues with the comfortability that I have in my easy sit pose. And I'm going to use blocks underneath my knees. I'm feeling a little tight in my hip joints. I want to be able to allow my feet to rest and relax in the sit position. So I'm just going to come and sit up on my bolster. If you don't have a bolster available to you and you're at home, feel free to grab a couple of pillows. And if you're at work in the office or any place else, just feel free to sit comfortably in your chair with your spine nice and erect and your feet flat on the floor. No need to cross the ankles. I'll do it here just because this is easy sit pose in yoga. This is a great practice also maybe after you've dropped off the kids at school or before you transition from work to home, especially for busy executives where you have to save up enough energy for giving to your family after work. And even for those of you making that transition into work. You know, I'm really fond of a good morning routine as well as a good bedtime routine, but we also sometimes need a solid, quick routine and practice to go to when we have to transition abruptly between one side of our personality, like our work professional personality, into our home personal life personality. Those two environments require different aspects of us to show up. Not that we're showing up inauthentically, but we are showing up in the way that's going to best help each of those environments where we lead get the best of us and see us as leaders that they want to emulate. With the chakra realignment, we're going to focus on moving our hands along the energy centers of the body, and we're going to be humming. And when you hum, the idea is to relax the tongue into the roof of your mouth and leave some space in between the teeth. You might hear a vibration in between your teeth. This is also known as hummingbird breath. And we'll do it here for the chakra realignment. If you have any affirmations that are specifically focused on the chakras, you can also play this in the background as you do this practice. I also have some here on the channel. Feel free to listen to those after you've mastered this technique. Let's get started. Sitting in a nice, comfortable, easy sitting position, whatever that is for you. You're going to begin to just be aware of your breath in the body. Maybe more awareness than you might have paid previously. And begin to relax the ankles, relax the feet. You can do this with your eyes closed or your eyes open, whatever you feel comfortable with in the place that you are right now. To begin, we'll place the hands, palms into the lap, into the groin area. We'll take a deep inhale, and on the exhales, we'll hum. Let's get started. Move the hands up, one up below the navel, one to the back of the body in the same height. We inhale. Moving the front hand above the navel, the back hand to the same height. Moving both hands to the front of the body, to the heart. Inhale and exhale and hum. Moving the hands to the throat. Moving the hands to the space in between the eyebrows, the third eye. Moving both hands to the top of the head, the crown. Moving the hands back to the third eye. Moving the hands to the throat. Moving the hands to the chest, heart, chakra. Moving the hands to the solar plexus, one in the front, one in the back. Moving the hands to the sacral chakra. And back to the root chakra. Bring the hands to the knees. Just sit here, breathing in and out. Observing the body, noticing the energy. passing through the body. Any spaces that you notice in between thoughts. And we'll do one more round, moving from root chakra to crown chakra. I'll just give you the names of the chakras and we'll inhale and hum on the exhale together. Root chakra. Sacral chakra. Solar plexus chakra. Heart chakra. Throat chakra. Third eye chakra. Crown chakra. Third eye chakra. Throat chakra. Heart chakra. Solar plexus chakra. Sacral chakra. And root chakra. Again, notice how you feel. Where do you feel lighter? Whether you feel lighter. And we'll do one more set. This time, keeping the hands on the front of the body as a modification in the event that there are any issues with mobility in the shoulders. Let's begin. Relax the eyelids. Take a deep inhale. Hands to root chakra. Hands to sacral chakra. below the navel. Hands above the navel, solar plexus chakra. Hands to the heart chakra. Hands to the throat chakra. Hands to the third eye chakra. Hands to the crown chakra. Hands to the third eye chakra. Hands to the throat chakra. Hands to the heart chakra. Hands to the solar plexus chakra. Hands to the sacral chakra. Hands to the root chakra. Take a couple of breaths here. Notice your emotions, your feelings without judgment. And gently open your eyes. So have a great day. Let me know how this works for you.